Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have Vernier Video Analysis installed, a clear video clip, and a calibration object. Open the app and import the clip. This starts data capture immediately. Once done, set the video frame rate and select the measurement units so your results map to real scale. Make sure to save a project file now, because project saves preserve calibration, mark tracking, and settings. You'll use these baseline choices throughout the analysis workflow. Don't skip them. Now you perform calibration and tracking. First, define scale using the calibration object and set pixel unit conversion so distances are accurate. Next, choose an automatic tracking method for your marker. When automatic fails, mark points manually. This is slower but ensures precision. Once points are tracked, apply a smoothing filter and inspect residuals. Smoothing reduces noise but can hide real features, so use a 3 to 5 frame window as a starting point. Finally, lock tracks and proceed to analysis tabs for plotting. Finish by creating plots for position, velocity, and acceleration, and add regressions or curve fits to quantify behavior. Then export numeric data to CSV or Excel including timestamps and metadata so you can reproduce results. If exported values look wrong, check 2 common issues: incorrect scale or tracking drift. If scale is off, recalibrate with the scale object and rerun tracking. If drift appears, retrack the suspect segment or increase smoothing slightly. Once corrected, re-export and document the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.